Good morning, children. Today I am going to aware you about some important questions for your oral examinations. First is tab key is used to move the cursor at certain space in a document. Yes, it's absolutely right. Tab key is used to give certain space. Landscape is the default paper orientation in Microsoft Word 2010. No. Portrait is the default paper orientations in Microsoft Word 2010. Facebook was founded in 2014. No, Facebook was founded in 2004, not 14. Yahoo Messenger is an example of social networking. No, social networking example is a Facebook, Twitter. A computer virus cannot infect files on write protected disk like CD-ROMs. Yeah, it's absolutely true. Virus increase the memory of computer. No, it's decrease the memory of computer, so it is false. A file is used to store a group of forms. No, a folder is used to store a group of files and folder, not a file, so it's also false. Abacus was the first calculating device for calculation. It's absolutely true. It's the first calculation device is abacus, invented in China. John Napier is known as the father of computer. No, Charles Babbage is known as father of computer, not John Napier, so it's false. Comparison is the process of recovering data. No, comparison is the process of shrinking the file size, so it can occupy a very less amount of space on hard disk. So comparison is not process of recovering data. It's false. Next questions. Which is the first social networking sites? First social networking site is 6degree. 6degree is the first social networking site. Which is the binary? What is the binary number system? Binary number system. Binary number systems consist of only two digits, 0 and 1. These are machine codes. Okay, so or base of this binary number system is 2 because it consists only two digits. That's why its base of this number system is 2. So we can represent this binary number system. I can give you an example like this. 101011 base is 2. Okay, this is the example of binary number system. Second is octal number system. Octal number system is consists 8 numbers from 0 to 7. Okay, total 8. And example of this number system is 10118. Base of this number system is 8. That's why we call it octal number system. Okay. Next is what is the decimal number system? We are using the decimal number system from 0 to 9, total 10. That's why we call a decimal number system. Base of this number system is 10. Okay, like 265, 10. This is an example of decimal number system. Okay, and I can give you more example of octal number system is 125 base 8. It is also a octal number system. Next is the hexadecimal. Hexadecimal has 16 base, means it starts from 0 to F, means 0 to 15, total 16. So it has 16 as a base. We can write example of this like 1 0 A 0 1 16. A represent 10, 0 to 9. Then we start from A B C D E F. F represents 16. Okay, so this is a hexadecimal number system. It consists 16 digits and base of its 16s. Next is what is internet? It is a network of networks, that is internet. ये बहुत सारे नेटवर्क का नेटवर्क है. Okay, full form of IP. IP stand for Internet Protocol. And next is www, World Wide Web, as you know about it. URL is a uniform resource locator. Okay, that's it.